Success, why did you win on the bed? Eh? As old as you are, you're still winning on the bed. Success, eh? Success, why are you giving me headache in this house? Imagine this bed. I just bought this bed new. Eh? In fact, everybody come and see, oh. Everybody come and see Success. She used to win on the bed, oh. Every morning, oh. I used to dry bed, oh. Eh? What kind of nonsense? Don't tell me to keep quiet. Come on, don't tell me to keep quiet. Eh? Neighbors, oh, come and see Success. She used to be on the bed, as old as she is. Just imagine. Okay, they are coming. Okay, strangers are coming. Neighbors, all of you come, oh, it's Success, oh. She's still win on the bed, as old as she is. Eh? Everybody now know you will on the bed. Success, eh? Success, I say everybody now know you will on the bed. Look, even strangers, neighbors, everybody's here. Eh? As old as you are, look at, eh? I'm talking to her, she's just walking away, eh? She's just walking away, eh? You're feeling so reluctant about it, Abi? Hey! People now know you will on the bed. People now know, even strangers.
Papa Success, what is the problem?
Success, we on the bed.
But she's a kid now.
Don't tell me she's a kid. 5 years old. For heaven's sake. Don't tell me she's a kid. Every time her mother will be giving her water in the night.
Is that the reason why you are shouting?
Don't tell me anything. I will shout. I will shout, eh? I will shout.
Look at you, you've now invited everybody.
Yes. Let everybody know that she used to be on the bed. Just imagine the phone that I bought. What nonsense is that one now? Eh? I'm even talking and she's feeling reluctant about it. Eh? Just imagine. And you say she's a kid. Eh? You're acting as if you don't care. Eh? You don't want people to know that it's you I'm talking to, Abi? Okay. Success. Everybody now know you will on the bed. I know you can hear me. Everybody now know you will on the bed. Eh?
Daddy, people now know that I will on the bed.
Yes.
That one is small now. What is bothering me now, is that people know something worse about me. Kai!
Success. What could be worse than people knowing that you will on the bed? Eh? What could be worse than that?
Daddy, people now know that you are my father. What could be worse than being your daughter? Packaging that I'm packaging since 9 years spoils for me. Don't look at me, oh. You know my father. He adopted me.
Catch that again. Hold that again. Thank you for watching that very funny Makenje comedy. See you next Friday. Please subscribe.